Hey Goshen Lane. We are at Hoover Dam Reservoir, walking around.
Trying to find some salamanders.
So we heard that salamanders
Live under rocks or
yes, in kind of muddy places. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you what we're looking at, and hopefully we will find some salamanders today. Okay, ready?
yeah.
Oh, let's see what's under this one.
Only mud.
Oh, there is a worm under there.
Wait, let me see. Where? Oh, that's a centipede.
A centipede. Okay, so let's take a look here. Anything here? Nope. Well, we didn't have any luck finding a salamander, but we are here to dig in the mud now and see if we see anything interesting digging in the mud by the water. There's also a lot of birds here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, what kind of fossils could you find? Oh, maybe pterodactyl fossils? That would be really cool.
Stegosaurus.
Oh wow, so you're thinking dinosaurs.
Mommy, dinosaurs don't exist anymore.
Right? They're extinct. You can see here, all of those little lines are footprints from all the different birds that have walked through here.
Yeah, I'll show you one. First, let me find one. Like this one.
Anything under there?
What on this?
Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Hi guys, what's this?
What is it? Hold on. Show me what it is.
It's a shower. It's a piece of a shower.
Turn it around so that we can see it good.